It's a perfect spring morning on April 12th, 2022, and we are on the Amtrak Michigan Line. We start our day with the rare Amtrak P42 leading Amtrak train 351. After catching 351, we would head into Depot Town in Ypsilanti, Michigan to catch NS Local B25 Racing West. Today, we have an action-filled day on the Michigan Line and one of the busiest I've had in a long time. Heading further east, we catch NS Local B17 heading back to Wayne Yard. Due to Maintaince of Way, the local is ran west early to switch some customers. On the east end of Wayne, NS Local B19 is approaching Wayne Yard. Here, the pair of SD40-2s will lead the train into the yard with a caboose on the rear. Running in an earlier time slot due to the maintenance, Amtrak 353 was next. Here they are, heading west, just near St. Joseph Hospital in Ypsilanti. Amtrak Wolverine service number 350 would be our next train. The Amtrak 972 Ballast train has shoved out of the South Pass and is waiting for Amtrak 350 to clear. Here, they each meet at CP 18 in Wayne, Michigan. With 350 cleared, Amtrak 972 heads west at walking speed. They will be dumping ballast between CP 18 and CP 28 today. Power for this train are a pair of Amtrak P32-8s and NS SD70 ACE 1067, the Reading Heritage Unit. On this day, the Reading Heritage Unit was not online.
That heat haze is making this difficult. I wonder if he's just getting like a little bit of. Does it look like he's dumping?
Probably after the diamond.
No, which means he's gonna take forever to get to Hammond. And I imagine it'd be much the same when day of if Thomas comes down.
And it's just one train, but it's one annoying train.
Do you guys get the real one that Strasburg has, or do you guys get one of the replicas?
We get a real one.
Okay.
Or the real one, because there's only one real one. There's about 3 or 4 dummies and then the real one.
Let's stick around for a handful of minutes, see if that's his street. He's sitting on this outside thing.
Getting ahead of this ballast train was easy. Here, we see the train heading west at Beck Road still dumping ballast. We get a good view of the 3 locomotives as they slowly clear the crossing. We would round out our day on the Michigan Line with Amtrak Wolverine service trains number 355 and 352. Here, 355 clears the Huron River just west of Ypsilanti. As the sun was setting, we would catch 352 again in Depot Town. Thanks for watching. If you like this busy day on the Michigan Line, do not forget to subscribe for future railfanning videos.